My name is Nicholas Silva, and welcome back to another video for the Pompano Beach High School Computer Science Tornado CS YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the final keyword, and I've created the class actually final keyword here, and we're going to be writing here and in the main as well. So to start us off, let's just go ahead and make an integer in our class here. So int a equals 2, and that's going to be our integer. And let's go down here, and to actually print out something or to do anything with our integer that is up here in a different class and not in the main, we have to create an object, and it's final keyword. So we have to do final keyword, and then let's do final keyword b equals new final keyword. Let's close that. And now we're going to go ahead and system.outprint. And here we have to do b.a because we made this object b and we are getting it from the final keyword class. So let's go ahead and do that. And if I go ahead and print that out, we see that we are going to get a2. And if we wanted to, and this is basically where our final is going to come in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase this part, and I'm going to go ahead up here and add the word final in A. So this is basically what our final is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead again and write this out, a or b dot a. And if I go ahead and print that out, we see no problem. We also get our 2 that is here. So let me show you the difference between an integer, a normal integer, and basically our final int a, and why you would want to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and make a method here that is going to change our a. So let's do void, let's call it change a, and then we have to put something in here. So let's do int new a. Alright, call it that. And then in here we're going to basically want to change our new a. And basically how you would want to do this, if it were, let's just make this a normal example, not with a final for now. So if you wanted to, you could say do a equals new a, and close that. And basically what this is going to do for you is it's going to make whatever you put inside of here, a is going to equal. So instead of a equaling 2, if I were to put something in here that says int a now is going to equal let's say, I don't know, 3 instead. So let's actually go ahead and show how you would do that. So we would do final keyword dot, or let's do b. Okay, so b dot change a, and then we would go ahead and put something in here to change our a. So let's do 3. b dot change a to 3. And then if we go ahead and print that, we see that we get a 3. And this is because we are able to change our b to whatever we want. We can even go 43, a big number like that. If we go ahead and print that, we're going to get 43. I'm going to go ahead and erase that for now. But now, here's the difference. I'm going to put in final here. And as you see, the first thing that pops up is you're going to see there's an error message on line 7 here. And it's saying the final field, final keyword cannot be assigned. And this is because final, basically, you cannot change final. It's used to declare an entity, and it means that the value of something cannot be modified in the future. It's going to basically mean whatever you put, final int, final string, final double, you are not going to be able to change it after you put this final keyword. So if I go ahead and try to say do b dot change a again, b dot change a to 4, and I print that out, we're going to see we get an error here, and it's saying unresolved compilation problem. The final field, final keyword dot a cannot be assigned, and you see the issue is in our line 7 and line 12, and this is because we have our final int here and it cannot be changed. And if I go ahead and you see the difference here, if I go ahead and erase this final that I have here and run it, 4 prints out. Normally everything goes the same, but again, adding final here is going to not let it work. It's just basically you put the difference, you put a final in, you cannot change it. It cannot be modified at all whatsoever. It will not change. So that's going to be it for today's YouTube video. If you had any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments down below. And that's going to be it. Have a good one.